Hello little friends, gather near for a sunny story. Mom walked gently through the bright garden path. Sunflowers swayed tall under the golden sunlight. Bluey and Bingo followed, paws tiptoeing softly. Look at these big flowers, Bluey exclaimed. Bingo sniffed petals, giggling at their sweet scent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so you never miss Bluey's joyful adventures. Mom knelt down beside a glowing sunflower. Each flower has a story, she whispered kindly. Bluey tilted head. What story, Mom? Mom smiled. Sunflowers always reach for the sun. Bingo bounced, just like we reach for fun. Mom laughed softly, brushing hair behind her ear. A gentle breeze made petals dance gracefully. Bluey twirled, paws brushing golden petals lightly. Can we pick one? Bluey asked eagerly. Mom shook head gently. Let's admire them first. Sunflowers stretched tall, heads following sunlight. Bluey and Bingo hopped around, pretending to fly. Coco arrived, carrying tiny watering can. She sprinkled water carefully, making petals glisten. Snickers barked, wagging tail happily nearby. Everyone laughed, basking in the sunny garden. Bluey whispered, "These flowers feel magical." Bingo nodded, "They smile like the sun." Mom plucked a single sunflower gently, handing it to Bluey with a warm smile. "Here, for you to remember today," she said. Bluey held it carefully, petals brushing his nose. Bingo placed another behind her ear proudly. Coco clapped paws. "We all have sunshine too." Evening arrived, painting sky with pink and gold. Shadows stretched across petals, glowing warmly. Bluey yawned, hugging Sunflower close tightly. Bingo curled beside him, dreaming of sunlit days. "Every sunflower tells a little story," Mom whispered. Their hearts glowed softly, filled with gentle warmth. Come back soon for another bright Bluey adventure.